Welcome to the show, everyone. It's the Crypto Lark coming to you from New Zealand, bringing you this April 11th edition of what is happening in crypto. Bitcoin, $6,849. Ethereum up nearly 5% to $416. Unsurprisingly, Bitcoin bringing most other coins up a few percentage points. Verge is slowing down its massive growth that it's seen in the last week, although Ontology is staying strong. WAN Chain up 31%, being listed on CoinMarketCap at position number 29. Gollum still going strong on news of the mainnet coming up. ELF up 37.5%, although most coins are still down on the 7-day. First big story today out of China. $1.6 billion Chinese fund launches in support of blockchain startups. A fantastic situation where you can see that there is an official stance about cryptocurrencies, and yet there is massive support for technology, innovation, and for the development of blockchain technology inside of China. Japan could have more than 3 million crypto traders, an unsurprising number for Japan, considering how crypto crazy the nation is. In fact, I thought it would have been a bit higher. EU officials say Eurozone needs to make a commitment to blockchain technology. I would agree. The EU is certainly well poised to take advantage of this growing technological market. Although, if you're talking about commitments, there's a very fascinating one coming up. Prince Harry is getting married, and if this amazing commemorative spoon doesn't float your boat, well then, maybe the royal cryptocurrency will. What? Is this actually a thing? This is actually a thing. I can't believe this. This is ridiculous. The world's a crazy place, but there will indeed be a royal cryptocurrency should you like to collect that for some unbeknownst reason. That's a thing. Over in Chile, back to real news. Energy regulator adopts Ethereum blockchain. Very cool. Now, that is using Ethereum's blockchain, but remember, we've just had a recent situation in Chile where banks have come out denying cryptocurrency exchanges, bank accounts. So again, we see this real push and pull effect where businesses are recognizing the opportunity for blockchain and cryptocurrency, and banks, of course, and centralized governments continue to fight it. The Philippines sees a surge in cryptocurrency exchange applications. Philippines is really growing at a very steady speed as a cryptocurrency market. Unsurprising, of course, to see a new wave of exchanges coming in there. Speaking of exchanges, we covered the story the other day about Bitfinex potentially being implicated in a 400 million euro money laundering scheme in Poland. Thankfully, though, Bitfinex did an internal investigation and decided that they are not guilty of money laundering. Good to know, Bitfinex. Keep it classy, guys. Over at BitRex, BitRex is so gosh darn busy that they have had to stop new registrations again. Now, you might think, well, it's a bear market and everything's kind of down and people aren't really getting... Apparently, people are getting so much into crypto that BitRex has yet again had to stop new signups. Gollum finally launches the Ethereum on the Ethereum mainnet in beta. Awesome. We've been waiting a long time to see Gollum deliver that. I have a feeling this will be the year of seeing a lot of the great projects that we've been talking about for so long on this program finally being delivered. MakerDAO and Omise Go announcing a collaboration. The Maker will be available on the Omise Go platform when it gets up and running. The first NEM-based point-of-sale terminals. This is huge. Poon DX is shipping 20,000 NEM-based terminals. That is huge for NEM, and of course a great movement ahead for Poon DX as well. Really exciting news there. Also, Proxima X, This is blockchain reimagined and evolved. This is an ICO. This has Lon Wong at the head. Of course, he is the former president of NEM who just stepped down the other day. So this is definitely a project to take note of. Speaking of NEM, if you want to come along and you happen to be in Wellington next week, make sure you come along and join us for the meetup that's going to be happening at 6 p.m. Monday the 16th. Also an invitation for everyone who is frustrated with Facebook in particular, come over and check out Mindscom, growing community over here, and they are adopting blockchain technology to shake up the way that social media works. Finally, it is time to give away one sweet props t-shirt. Let's see who our random winner is going to be today. Milano BRL, and yes, I want a t-shirt, lol. Congratulations, my friend, on your new t-shirt. Thank you, Mr. J, friend of the channel, giving away 1,000 Raven coin. If you want to be in to win 1,000 Raven coin, put your Raven coin address in down below. And finally, don't forget to hit that retweet button over on Twitter to win yourselves a Ledger Nano S this Sunday. That's all from the Crypto Lark for today. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.